What's going on, everyone? Today's July the 21st, 2023. Here to talk about Netflix today because on multiple time frames, we've seen a sell signal trigger. I'm going to talk about it because if that's the case, then that means that the market is changing sentiment, and we definitely want to make sure that we switch over into our thinking process as to where market price is going to go without the confusion. So let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. I did a video for Netflix. I did an update video for Netflix on June the 12th. June the 12th was the last time I did a video for Netflix, and you guys can tell that we were bullish in this stock even when we did our update. This is where the price was in Netflix then. Okay, this original price prediction started on like May 30th. Okay, so we've been in this idea for quite some time. Now, if I were to extend this prediction over to the right, you guys can see the day to when the market in Netflix hit our ultimate TP price, which was about 3 days ago. Yeah, July the 18th was the last time price, was the day that price came through and hit our ultimate TP price, which is around 16.72%, which brought us up to earnings. Isn't that crazy? That we timed the high in the market in Netflix around earnings. And now we're seeing sell signals triggering on multiple time frames. That is not by coincidence. Nothing happens in the market by coincidence. Someone is always trying to get ahead of the game. They're trying to prepare what's to come. That is how we're able to predict how high price is going to go before the market changes its sentiment. So congratulations to you if you was able to profit off that last price prediction, because now things may have changed. Okay, one of the reasons how we can tell that things has changed is because price volume is massively on the high end right now. Like, look at all this volume that's coming into Netflix right now. Okay, we need to pay attention because this is where institutional action and activity is going on. They're active right now, and the only activity that we can ever get in the market is either buying and selling. So either they're doing a whole lot of selling or they're doing a whole lot of buying. Okay, now the only way that we can tell if this is buying is if price in Netflix from here on out continues to hold this range. Okay, if Netflix continues to hold this range, then the market, the institution are still buying here. Okay, that's the only way that we can tell. If they don't hold that range, price in Netflix is still going to go lower. So let's get to the sell triggers. Okay, let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction there. Okay, and we're going to extend this long-term trend. Now, if we're going to look at price as being weak, there's going to be some areas that we can see the market bounce. Okay, look at this on the 3-day chart for Netflix. That's weakness there. This 1 3-day price bar is literally encompassing the last 3 days of the market trying to go higher. That's a sell trigger right there. Here's Netflix on the 5-day chart. Again, another indicator of weakness, a change. The prior 5 days, the market did fantastic. We even got a strength on that 5-day price bar. But if you don't get the follow through and price comes all the way back down, even lower than the previous low, yeah, that's a sell trigger right there. Look at this on the weekly. Okay, we still got 8 hours and 29 minutes left, but again, chart is telling you already we may have hit a high in Netflix momentarily. I'm just showing you the charts. Now, just this alone, we need to lean more towards price and Netflix going down still. Unless in the next 8 hours and 28 minutes, the market runs all the way back up around mid bar or higher. We need to fall under perception that the overall market here is still selling and that price is still weak. Okay, now considering that, let's try to figure out how low could price go. One area is already being touched in NFLX, which is here. That's one area. Second area for NFLX, this is a very rigid market. Will be there. And the third one would be here. There's a slight area of buying right here in this area, but I'm not going to hold that there though. Yeah, we'll do that. So these are my three targets. Outside of this one, we're not going to consider this one. But these are the three targets there. Okay, so now let me put this back on the daily. You guys can see a little bit cleaner on the daily time frame where the market buying should occur for NFLX. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to continue to expect price in NFLX to continue to go lower. Here's another area too. If this market really is bullish, it's going to maintain this area. If it's really bullish, it's going to bounce from here and continue to try to go higher. That's a very strong market if that's the case. But I'm looking for price to go a little bit lower. Something of that sort. Okay. So now let me put this on the chart and I'll let you go. First target is here around 415. It's 5%. Second target is here around 397, 9.18%. Third target is 380, which is around 13.12. Now, I'm not really looking for price to go that low right now, but I just want to give you all those three targets because I really don't see the market as being that extremely weak. I would definitely look for that weakness to occur over the next trading week, and the market in NFLX still looks the way that this 2-weekly price bar looks. It wouldn't be out the realm of possibility for the market to run to 400. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.